one wing is bigger than the other one at this point. I don't even care. Anyways, let's get on to the face. So I am gonna wear the Natural Radiant Foundation in shade Beige. This is what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a little. I'm also gonna grab my concealer 16 Hour Wear by e.l.f. Just grab some and add it right here. My beauty sponge. This is the e.l.f. e.l.f. something. I don't remember. Now that I have my face done, I'm gonna go ahead and just add powder. Okay, I'm gonna take my just take Peaches by MAC, and I'm gonna just add that to my face. I'm gonna just add mascara just because I haven't added mascara. You can add lashes to this look. I honestly really don't wear much lashes. Put on some lipstick for a difference. This is in the shade Whirl by MAC. I'm just gonna go ahead and add a bit of spray or highlight. So I'm gonna go ahead and just grab my Face and Body Mist by Bath and Body Works. This I really like. It's just very refreshing. This spray is like really good for like summertime. Just gonna go ahead and spray it once or twice. I'm gonna go in here. I don't want it to be crazy. I'm actually gonna grab a little tinier brush and spray it first. Go in with my highlight, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Breezy collab. I'm just gonna go ahead and go in and really just add this. Yeah guys, that is pretty much the end of my look. I hope you guys like it, and just make sure to be safe. Stay home if you need to. Only go out for your necessities, and that's it. I'll see you guys soon.